Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. In today's video, guys, we'll show you how to remove and replace rear tail light bulbs on Volkswagen. Okay, this Touareg right here, this should cover the generation from 2003, 4 I believe, to 2010, guys. So we'll show you guys how to do that now and explain which bulb is for what. The left side is identical as the right side, so we'll demonstrate only on one side. This right here is stop light bulb. This and this one are tail lights. This is turn signal on the bottom, this is reverse light. Okay, so stay with us to see what we need to do next. Alright guys, so now you should have two plastic caps that we removed way too fast. Okay, this one right here, you should have two of them, and we'll need to use a Torx 25T25, okay, bit like that, so we can remove the tail light. Okay, one of the bolts is out, that's what it looks like. Now working on the second one. Usually those are not very tight. Okay, now you need to grab it and you have to be careful how you pull the tail light. You need to pull straight to the back. Okay, and you have one guide right here that goes in this bushing and it tends to get stuck really bad. Next, you can just, okay, go ahead and release those tabs, okay, right here. Just be careful not to break them, okay, like that. Alright guys, so this is the brake light and tail light bulb. You need to press down and turn counterclockwise in order to remove them, like that. And when you're ready to install it, okay, you need to find the slots right there, push down and turn to the right. Okay, this one right here, it's exactly identical. This is turn signal light bulb. So the same procedure as the other side. Okay, perfect, like that. Okay, if you need the one for the inner tail light, the one that's on the trunk lid, you need to remove that cap right here and you can access the light bulbs. Okay, you can see from here. So what you need to do is squish that thing in. Okay, it's a little bit complicated. We need to pull the cable out. Okay, the cable, in order to pull it out, you squish those two out. Okay, push in and out. Okay, like that. And now we should be able to pull the bulbs out of the way, guys. Okay, you can see those are the bulbs. This is turn. Okay, this is tail light and brake light as well it's supposed to be. Okay, right there. And this is just reverse light right here. Okay, so those usually don't go bad too often, guys. So that's how you guys remove the bulbs and replace them. You need to install everything together in reverse order. We took it apart. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.